Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving our angels guidance message at last. So let's see what is happening today, Aquarius. Tower, Knight of Pentacles, King of Wands, Six of Pentacles. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you're happy how things are progressing in your life. This relationship, you feel that fulfillment, contentment, and you feel your person is honest, and you have a very good attraction, and you have that love, affection, and you feel you are respected in this relationship. So a very gratifying relationship you are in, Aquarius, and for most of you all, your person may be gifting you. You may feel very responsible in this relationship, and what to say, and you feel your person is inspiring you to bring out your qualities, all the goodness in you. So that is the way you feel about this person. Maybe someone may come towards you guys today with a gift. This may be your person, or this may be your friend. Someone is coming over to visit you. They may be gifting you, and things are going in a happy way, guys. And it is just like a wave. Life is just like a wave, so it is there on this upward movement now, and that is the reason you feel there may be a downfall. You are in your heart of hearts, you are scared of something, that something may come in this perfect setting. So you are what to say, you are quite attentive to your situation now. You are thinking something may come up, some kind of sadness, something of that sort. You are in the verge, you are expecting something bad may happen to this relationship, and that may hamper, or with your present situation, you are just having some kind of what to say, intuition that something may come up, something bad may come up to hamper this relationship with this person, because you feel good compatibility and acceptance and love in this relationship, and you feel a little bit, what to say, worried that because it is a dream come true for you, this relationship. So you're a little bit worried, guys, thinking whether it will last long. So let us see what is coming up with another set of cards, guys. So let us pick more cards, guys. Let us see what is the reason for your sadness, some kind of distress in your mind. Book, Okay, Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you are getting some kind of important information, some great news is coming your way, guys, and maybe you're worried because this relationship is taking such a fast pace towards engagement or a serious commitment. Things are rushing you both towards marriage or a long term commitment, and you feel a little worried because of that. So today is going to be a lucky day, guys. Some kind of opportunity is striking. This may be in your relationship, or this may be in your work. So something is moving very fast towards you, guys, and I feel this may definitely be in your relationship, guys, or in your life. Certain things are changing in your life. Certain changes are happening that is going to transform your life today, guys. So some major changes are happening, and they are all very positive changes, guys. And maybe this relationship is meant to be, and this is taking you towards marriage, or your person is coming with a strong commitment. They want to be there with you. With this card, I feel, guys, all your negativities, whatever worries or anything you were having from your past, you are going to be able to overcome, guys, and you are going to lead a happy life with this person. So that may be the energy here. You're going to feel very optimistic, confident, and some new venture. You're going in some new path, guys, or this may be a new person. If you are single, this may be a new person coming towards you, and this relationship is meant to be, guys, and you feel that you deserve it. You were working hard towards this kind of phase in your life, this kind of results, these kinds of changes, and it is going to happen, guys. Those results are going to reach you. Whatever you were working hard for, whatever you were really yearning for, it is going to come today towards you. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be inspired to go in to learn some art, some kind of workshops you may be attending, or something of that sort, guys, or some kind of a creative venture you may be starting to learn, painting, or some art form like dancing, singing, something. You are into some kind of creative venture, and some great news is coming your way, guys. Your person is coming with a great announcement. Maybe they are going to propose to you, or this may be your energy. Maybe you're going to propose to your person, or you may be getting an important, if it is concerning your work, you may be getting an important document signed, some kind of deeds, some property deeds or contracts, something of that sort is happening today, and it is all very positive set of cards here, guys. So you're definitely overcoming the past energies you were having, and you are moving into this happy phase, guys. So it is time for you to make use of this good luck that is coming your way, and use it immediately, guys, because we don't often find ourselves in such situations. So it is absolutely necessary for you to make use of this opportunity to make you reach your goals. So whatever you're having in your life, in relationship, in your personal life, and in your professional life, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. You are finally overcoming your past, and you're moving in with a long term committed, truthful, honest and loving person, guys. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today, Aquarius. Let me pick one card from the angel guidance deck. Guys, it is an angel card. So with this card, maybe some of you all are coming out of a divorce or some kind of disputes. You're coming out of it, you're getting a clarity in your thought and your emotions. So with this angel card, I feel you have that resolution in your heart to have a balance and harmony in your life, guys. You see the way how to bring about that harmony and balance in your life, and ensure yourself being that non-judgmental person in any situation. So this is a time for you to take actions based on your clear thought and harmony and balance, guys, in any situation. So that is what the angels are guiding us to do, Aquarius. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.